The Zurich OBD2 code reader. Comes nicely packed. And you have an instruction manual. I already read the manual online. That's one thing that's nice about Harbor Freight, is they give you these things online. You can go ahead and check out what you're buying and whatnot. I went with the ZR8 because it has features on this that weren't available on the ZR4. This one looks like they're packed pretty good, so let me see if I can get this apart in a way where I can reuse this container. Alright, gotcha! Oh, it includes the USB port, or the USB plug-in. I'm not going to worry about updating the software right now because I have a 2008 RAM, and I'm pretty sure that that model's covered in the software. English. Standard. Turn on the ignition. Okay, here we go. Hello. Press that to relink. Here we go. P0406 Exhaust Gas Recirculation Sensor. Circuit high DTC severity 2 of 3. Repair immediately if drive reliably. P06. I didn't expect that. Let's unplug and see what I can find out here. Gots to go to the computer now. Back inside the car again. I need to turn on the key. Alrighty. Okay, that was the code, P0406. There we go. Okay, everything's flashing up top there, and it means it has to be run through a drive cycle. This is on yellow because everything has to be run through a drive cycle. This button right here is the button you press to reset the the DTD codes, or DTC codes, or the engine codes. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit the main menu and get back out of here and go ahead and take it for a test drive and see what happens. I'll let you know in a minute. Alrighty, I just took it for a ride. I went about 15 miles. I figured that was enough. It was tossing that code, that engine light, after just a short 2 miles. Those red lights that are flashing, they need a couple more cycles of to get information. And after they flash, in a couple days I'll do another update on this, and I'll make that into a separate video. These computers got to go through a certain number of cycles for certain systems, and that's why it's still showing yellow. At least it's not showing red. And there are no powertrain DTDs or freeze frame data personally stored in the vehicle's computer. The EGR replacement was a success. Everything went well. My truck is running good now. I gotta tell you, this code reader is pretty darn good. I like it. It's not the very basic of the basic models. It's one step up. Just for reference, it is the ZR8. I'll throw it back in the box for the next time I need to use it. I did do an update on this. The update went fantastic. No problems at all. You download a zip file, put it on your computer, unzip it, and update it. That's it. And I'm telling you, this is well worth the money. $70, $75, whatever it was, from Harbor Freight. I highly recommend this. As always, thumbs up, thumbs down. Leave a comment. Have you used one of these? Well, I'd like to know. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you. Have a great one. Bye-bye.